Welcome back to my channel. I'm Easy, your friendly professional makeup artist. If you are new to my channel, I aim to help and provide easy makeup applications for those who want to do their own makeup. And if you are already a subscriber of my channel, thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate you and I love you. I'm going to teach you how to do a very beginner-friendly day makeup. So, itong day makeup na to, lakas maka-fresh nito, no? And can be easily be pulled off women of any age. The product that we are going to use for this demonstration is, yan, si Teviant. Teviant, yes. This is the right term. This is the all-in-one palette. So, when I say all-in-one, there's already for cheeks, for eyes, for highlights, for blush, and for lips. Yes, I'm going to show you guys how to use this for the lips. For the brown eyeshadow, if you want na medyo precise or dense yung pag-a-apply ninyo, medyo solid yung color ng brown, you could use a flat brush. Or if you want na soft diffuse, ibig sabihin yung soft diffuse effect lang na brown eyeshadow, then you will have to use a fluffy brush. By the way, guys, I've already applied my foundation. My eyelids is already a eye primer. For the eye primer, I use a Eyes on You by Detail Cosmetics and I set it with translucent powder na. So, slightly swipe it from here and here, end to end. Yan. So, itong part na to, this is lid, okay? Ito yung lid mo. And then, this is the crease. So, una, you start from the lid. And then, take another brown again. And then, slightly above the crease. Itaas mo siya hanggang dito. See, you see that? Iyang pinopoint hanggang dyan. Apply it here. No, you can do swipe or yung ganito, i-press mo siya. So, see, medyo kita niyo yung brown. Especially if you are a hooded eyes, kailangan itaas mo konti yung transition color or your brown color para maghuhulma siya sa eyes po. So that you will have a illusion of bigger eyes. And then get a fluffy brush. It's either na ganitong size na medyo malaki or if you want precise yung ganito kaliit. I-blend nyo yung nandito sa taas. So blend. Kailangan hindi nakikita yung line. Ito yung purpose nun, to blur out the line or the harsh edges. Pwedeng ganyan, wiping motion. Or if you want pabilog, para i-diffuse yung color, yung parang soft, smoky siya. Get a small brush. Kung wala kang small brush, get a cotton buds. And, again, get the brown eyeshadow, tap the excess, and you apply it here on the corner of your eyes. Pag super chinita ang mata, wag mong isasagad hanggang dito, okay? So, you just apply it halfway only ng eyes mo. We are going to step it up further. We are going to use the warm eyeshadow and I'm going to use the same brush kanina, which is the flat brush. I'm going to apply this also dito lang sa upper area just to give it a warm transition lang. So, get this kind of warm shade. Apply it here on the top of the area ng space na to. Ito lang. So, blend. So, you just have to blend lang. We're going to use the same flat brush. You just have to clean your brush. Get a tissue, wipe it up, wipe the excess powder, okay? And then tap the excess, and just apply it a bit on the lower lid, just to open up more pa yung eyes natin. See? Nakita nyo paano lang mag-layer ng eyeshadow. Kung gusto nyong walang ng shine, it's okay. Leave this shade na. Pwede na yan. But I want you to learn more. So, nagle-layer tayo ng eyeshadow. Lagi lang magbe-blend ng slight. Huwag kayong manggigal sa pagbe-blend. Just slightly blend lang. The-dust off lang yung highlight. Same small brush. Remove the excess powder. Apply the gold. Here sa inner corner. On the next is, we are going to apply, eto, nakita nyo to, itong katabi ng gold shade. So, slightly maglalagay lang tayo nito sa ating brow bone. Okay, so, kung gusto niyo pa ng extra extra, you could also apply this kind of shade again dito sa ilalim. Pwede mong i-mix lang yung color. That's what makeup is about. It's fun. You can mix it or leave it as it is. So this is the look. You could apply black eyeliner if you want to. Pero kung hindi ka marunong mag-black eyeliner na liquid, you could use the brown eyeliner. You can do a tight line sa loob. You can apply brown or black eyeliner here and on your lower waterline. So, ganun ang gagawin ko. And I'll be applying a mascara. And next is, I'm going to show to you guys how to do the blush, the contour, and the lipstick. So, for the contour, we are going to use a small brush. Ito lang ang cons ng product na ito. You have to use a small brush para magkasya. So, you have to fully coat the brush. Ganyan. And then, you press the product or you do a one swipe motion or one direction lang. Guys, when doing contour, wag mabigat ang kamay because contour, the purpose of doing contour is to create only a shadow. Okay? Hindi pwede yung obvious na obvious yung line. And lightly contour, kung malaki ang noon nyo katulad ko, malaki ang aking paliparan. Slightly contour the temples. Ito yung temples, yung sides ng forehead nyo para mabawasan yung pagkalapad niya. Slightly contour lang. So, for the nose, lightly contour your nose. If you don't want, you can skip the step. For me to demonstrate lang, so I'm going to contour the nose. You could start here. And then, what's left dun sa brush, taas mo. We don't want, again, we do not want to have a obvious nose line. We want to blend it out as much as possible, no? Yung hindi ganong visible. Then, blend the nose line. Tanggalin niyo yung hard edges. Highlight, I'm going to use this one. So, when you are going to apply highlight in a morning or day makeup, hindi pwedeng masyadong blingy or masyado makintab because magmumukha kayong oily. So, what you have to do, apply this kind of shade, yung pink side naman, and then you apply it here on the middle. Kung gusto nyong elongated and medyo nakaangat yung ilong, and then, konti sa bridge. And then, get the brush and blend mo pa rin. So, as you can see, may shine, pero hindi oily tignan. Hindi sobrang masakit sa mata yung pagkakintab. You could also apply a highlight here. Si Albert Cunyawan ginagawa niya, he applies highlight here, parang yung fresh na bagong ligo. Tap the excess and on the top of the brow bone. Get a small brush. Pwede mo i-combine yung dalawa. So, pwede din. Ko-combine ko yung dalawa, okay? What's good about this products na to, powdered products na to, kahit anong gigil mo sa paglalagay, hindi siya gaanong intense yung color. It gives this soft color pa rin siya. I really believe in their product, and of course, the one who created the product is a professional makeup artist too. So, pag kapwa makeup artist ang gumagawa, alam mong hindi masasayang yung pera mo at alam mong quality yon. So, when I apply blush, I usually do on an upward motion pag gusto kong daytime. Pero pag gabi, naglalagay ako dito lang sa side na to. Especially pag dramatic na yung eyes, dito lang. Pero since simple lang yung eyes, fresh lang, so dinadamay ko siya. Shade, itong may pagka-pink na highlight. Tap the excess and apply it here. Ang ganda ng highlight niya kasi hindi siya yung sparkly masyado. It gives a glow. Sheen, parang pearl. For me, I think it's like a pearl iridescent type siya. So you could use your fingers to blend it out. So kanina, I've already applied my lip balm and I removed the excess. The shade that we're going to use is the same palette pattern, which is this kind of shade. This kind of brush yung ganito yung flat, and then use this shade pa rin. Then you apply it on your lips. So, to make the color intense, pressing motion is the best. Tutorial for the day, guys. I hope you like this look that I did for you and you like this video, and continue to practice or rewind this tutorial so that you may practice how to do your makeup and using Teviant Deity Dust palette. At kung wala ka naman Deity Dust palette, it's okay. Just look for a similar shade na meron ka sa makeup kit mo, and then rewind my tutorial. So thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video some love. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below and click the bell notification for you to be updated on my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for your support, guys. See you on the next one. God bless you. Bye!